Alright guys, so in today's video we're going to be talking about one of the hottest cryptocurrencies this cycle called SUI. Let's find out a little bit more about it and why everyone is raving about it, and at the end I can give you my thoughts on it. Currently SUI is sitting at $1.97 with a 24-hour volume of $765 million and a total supply of 10 billion SUI. We have everybody and their mother talking about SUI, and let's find out why. What is SUI? SUI is a groundbreaking Layer 1 blockchain platform designed to support the need of global adoption by offering a secure, powerful, and scalable development platform. At its core, SUI leverages a novel object-centric data model and the secure move programming language to address inefficiencies prevalent in existing blockchain architectures. On top of a strong technical foundation, SUI prioritizes user experience by eliminating barriers commonly associated with blockchain interactions. Through innovations like ZK login, sponsored transactions, and programmable transaction blocks, SUI creates a higher standard for user experience within Web3 by ensuring applications are accessible and user-friendly. Who are the founders of SUI? Meitzen Labs, the original contributor to SUI, was founded by a former lead architect of Meta's blockchain research team. Evan Chang, CEO of Meitzen Labs, has an extensive background in platform development with more than 24 years building developer-facing technology and leading engineering teams at companies such as Apple and Facebook. The CPO of Meitzen Labs has led engineering and product teams across big tech companies including Oracle, VMware, and Facebook. He has led product teams within the blockchain industry for over 10 years. Sam Blackshear, CTO of Meitzen Labs, is a researcher and engineer specializing in programming language design, program verification, and developer tools. He is the creator of the Move smart contract language. George Dainsis, chief scientist of Meitzen Labs, is a professor of security and privacy engineering at University College London with over 20 years of experience working on peer-to-peer system security and privacy. Kostas Chakias, chief cryptographer of Meitzen Labs, has over 10 years of experience in lead cryptographer roles in many big tech companies including Meta and R3. What makes SUI unique? SUI's innovative architecture offers low latency transaction with stable transaction fees, high throughput through horizontal scaling, and parallelized execution, and empowers developers with powerful capabilities and tools to craft the next generation of Web3 applications. At the heart of SUI's uniqueness lies its object-oriented design, offering a new way of developing on blockchain, offering powerful capabilities in a way that ensures deep composability and important developer and user safety measures. As everything on SUI is an object, the ability to define object types allow developers to create objects tailored to their application needs with inherent network-wide compatibility. This changes how assets and protocols can work together to create greater products with broad composability. Dramatic improvements to crucial network processes such as transaction processing are enabled by use of objects on SUI. By having explicitly defined transaction dependencies, transactions on SUI are able to be executed in parallel. Along with this, SUI has unique consensus requirements that allow specific transactions to actually bypass consensus and be completed significantly faster. Many transactions are finalized and settled in less than half a second, all while maintaining high throughput and stable transaction fees. Application builders benefit from SUI's focus to provide solutions that overcome common barriers and Web3 adoption. This is accomplished through tools natively available for all developers such as ZK login and sponsored transaction addressing barriers such as wallet onboarding and transaction fees respectfully. Finally, Move on SUI has been tailored to SUI's object-oriented data model, creating a development platform that combines a new yet intuitive platform with a powerful and secure programming language. This allows both developers and users to rest easier, knowing that the additional safety measures required by Move on SUI help to mitigate, if not entirely eliminate, the most common exploits in other smart contracts developing languages. With SUI Wallet and ZK Login, you can onboard SUI immediately. ZK Login allows you to create and manage SUI accounts with a simple web login like Google. Using zero-knowledge cryptography, ZK Login brings the convenience of using a familiar web account to all the benefits around security and ownership that blockchain technology provides. And these are some of the decentralized finance projects on SUI. If you guys want to pause and check them out, here they are. How many SUI coins are there in circulation? The SUI token has a total supply capped at 10 billion tokens and is primarily used to secure the network and act as a unit of account and payment within the network. The SUI token currently serves three primary purposes on SUI. Proof of stake participation. SUI uses a delegated proof of stake mechanism to select, incentivize, and reward honest behavior by SUI validators and the SUI token owners that stake with them. Gas fee payments. SUI tokens are used to pay for gas fees required to execute transactions and store data on-chain. Utility across applications. SUI is a versatile and liquid asset that can be used for various applications within SUI's ecosystem, such as decentralized exchanges, lending and borrowing applications, games, and much more. And just like most blockchains, it also allows for governance, which, gives you basically a say in how the project is developed if you hold the token. Additionally, the SUI storage fund is used to shift stake rewards across time and compensate future validators for storage costs of previously stored on-chain data. This tokenomic design creates a mechanism for users to store data on-chain indefinitely while compensating current and future validators fairly for storage, ensuring long-term sustainability. How is the SUI network secured? SUI uses a delegated proof-of-stake POS mechanism to secure the network from cyber attacks, where validators and delegators take on acts similarly to other DPoS mechanisms. The unique elements of SUI's network-level architecture is the protocols leading to consensus. Narwhal is the protocol developed to create and efficiently manage a mempool for direct acrylic graph DAG, which SUI uses. Bullshark, the consensus protocol, then pulls transactions from the Narwhal mempool to validate and finalize transactions. As mentioned above, certain transactions actually bypass the consensus mechanism and follow the Byzantine consistent broadcast mechanism to achieve finality in less than half a second with true settlement guarantees. This network design has shown to reach transaction speeds at over 297,000 transactions per second in a testing environment. Where can you buy SUI? SUI can be purchased on numerous centralized exchanges including Binance, Coinbase, KuCoin, Bybit, Kraken, and Bitfinex, and more. What is SUI-NS? As name service platform, SUI-NS assigned identifiers on SUI such as Alice SUI. These identifiers referred to as names are linked to SUI accounts, streamlining transactions by directing them to the associated SUI accounts. This simplifies the process of specifying SUI accounts for users, enhancing their overall experience. SUI-NS names are represented as NFTs and stored in the user's wallet, ensuring that ownership benefits inherent to SUI's objects extend to SUI-NS names as well. Moreover, SUI-NS offers additional personalization options by allowing users to associate avatars with their names. These avatars, also NFTs, leverage SUI support for composable objects, offering users a multitude of possibilities for their graphical representations. In addition to avatars, SUI-NS supports IPFS, which is the Interplanetary Filing System, websites, enabling users to create either straightforward informational pages or intricate dynamic sites. So yeah, there's a lot to unpack there, but basically SUI just looks like a project that it took everything from other basically crypto projects that works really well and combined it all into one, right? They took a little bit from DAG, a little bit from Ethereum name service, a little bit from like NFTs. It's basically an all-in-one project that allows not only developers but users to onboard quickly. So I can see 100% why people are excited about this. This is a very impressive project. The supply is not high at all, and the demand for this coin is going to be through the roof. So if you guys haven't got a bag, get one. And that's not financial advice, that's just my opinion. All right, if you guys enjoy my content, please give me a like and a follow, and I'll see you guys in the next one.